Hello all. Today we are going to see about a case study in the course additive manufacturing. So before going into the case, we must know the meaning of additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is one of the modern technology where the process is carried out by layer manufacturing. So here the layer by layer of material is added and it is processed. So whereas in conventional manufacturing we all know about the process that there were the different kinds of process which the component carried out, and we have a finished product where the material removal takes place and it consumes more time as well as the cost. So here in this process, additive manufacturing, there is no such kind of material wastage or the involvement of cost. Here it is a layer by layer manufacturing. So this is about the subject, and today we are going to see about a case study on additive manufacturing. Today I am going to present a case study. So in this case study, we can see here additive manufacturing for serial production of orthopedic implants. So this is an implant which is manufactured in a conventional way. Now after modern technology, this manufacturing is carried out in additive manufacturing. Here the customer here is Croom Precision Medical, that is shortly called as CPM. And the type of industry, as I discussed already, it is a medical and healthcare industry. The challenge here is this orthopedic implant is a complex structure, and this structure needs to go undergo many testing procedure that are manually done, that is offline testing, and then it comes to the market. So because of the offline testing, here what happens is that process increases the cost as well as the time. So the time to reach market is high. That is what the challenge here in this case. So let us move on to the problem. So background is that already I told Croom Precision Medical is supplying class 1, 2 and 3 medical devices for the orthopedic market for over 35 years, because these devices will ultimately end up impacting people's lives. So orthopedic is one of the important thing in the medical field for human being. So it is essential to rigorously check the samples or the implants that are manufactured through this technique, and then we have to check for the how quality, how functional the product is. So this is what very much important. So the class 1, 2, 3 medical devices of orthopedic has to be checked. That is what the background of the case. And the challenge here is due to the complex shape and the complex structure, the implant is taking much time, as well as the competitors in the market are using the advanced technology in order to produce more precise and novel structures to the requirement. So increasingly incorporating novel and complex structure into implant design with the aim of improving implant performance and longevity. So here the Croom Precision Medical carries out a series of offline tests to check the chemical, mechanical and morphological properties of the implant. That is what the challenge. While the tests are essential to measure mechanical chemical consistency of the implant, they can be time consuming and add to the overall cost per product. So this is what the challenge. So the solution for this case here is that the Croom Precision Manufacturing, that is CPM, has introduced a new equipment that is called Renishaw's AM technology, which produces complex structures in one manufacturing operation. As an example, this CPM has begun assessing the use of gyroid lattices on acetoplar cups, design feature which would not have been economically feasible to produce before their investment in AM. So this resulting implants have stood up rigorous quality testing and CPM report notably good density and Young's modulus values. So this is the solution for this problem. So here in fact this equipment is able to produce very complex geometries and the requirement of the markets. So what happens here is the component produced in this technology is very precise, and it can be used, and it can be a competent product for other brands. So that is what the novelty in this case study. So as a result, you can see here, this is the another image that shows about the testing. Renisha as a strategic partner in driving the advances in AM technology. So Renisha is the strategic partner for this concern, and they helped this concern to produce very complex geometries, and they help to produce testing methods and everything. So finally, we conclude this lecture by additive manufacturing. That is the approaching of additive manufacturing being a journey. It's a completely different way of thinking. It is much more of a laboratory environment and more of a cognitive way of approaching a process rather than a conventional engineering. Thank you.